If you're seeing this video, I want you to take this as a sign to go out and make new friends in midlife. Here's a story. A couple weeks ago, I went to support a friend of mine who was doing a get-together at a basketball game for some of her clients. I wind up sitting next to this woman I've never met before, and we start talking. And there was an immediate energy shift. I felt it. It was palpable. It's like, boom. This has happened to me a bunch in my life. And every single time I have turned to that woman, typically it's me who turns to them and says, hey, I feel like there's a connection here. I think we're supposed to be friends. And for one of the first times in my life, she did it for me. She was like, I feel like you and I are supposed to be friends. And I was like, girl, me too. So we made a date for 2 weeks later to meet and have coffee, our first friendship date. It was fantastic. We sat for 3 hours and talked about all kinds of things, relationships, work, goals, etc. Like, boom, we were off to the races. We went deep. Fast! And here's the other thing. I'm 53 and she's 37. Age has nothing to do with connection. It has nothing to do with who you're going to vibe with, who you're going to feel something for in relationships, romantic or otherwise. If one of us hadn't been brave enough to put ourselves out there and say, hey, I think we're supposed to be friends. I feel a connection here. This incredible coffee date I just had would never have happened. So take this as a sign. Put yourself out there. Introduce yourself to people. If you feel a connection with someone, invite them to a coffee, because who knows, maybe you just meet your new best friend.